Caregiver jobs in Spain 2025, free visa, and move with your family. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, GK Health Passport. Today, we're talking about an amazing opportunity, becoming a caregiver in Spain. Now, you might be wondering why Spain? Well, Spain is facing a huge demand for caregivers, and they're offering some pretty sweet deals to attract qualified people like you. Think free visa sponsorship. Yes, you heard that right, free, and the chance to bring your family along for the ride. Now, I know what you're thinking, moving to a new country is expensive. And you're right, it can be. But that's the beauty of this opportunity. Spain is pulling out all the stops to make the transition as smooth as possible for you. They're offering competitive salaries, help with finding a place to live, and even assistance with navigating the Spanish bureaucracy. So, if you're passionate about caring for others and have always dreamt of living in a beautiful, sunny country with a rich culture, then this video is for you. We're going to dive deep into the top care homes and hospitals that are hiring right now, break down the application process step by step, and show you exactly why Spain is the perfect destination for caregivers in 2025 and beyond. All right, let's jump right into it with one of the biggest players in the Spanish care home industry, Sanitas Mayores. These guys are a household name in Spain, known for their top-notch facilities and commitment to providing exceptional care to their residents. And guess what? They're actively seeking international caregivers just like you. Now let's talk about why Sanitas Mayores should be at the top of your list. First off, they offer a comprehensive relocation package, which includes, you guessed it, visa sponsorship. They'll help you with all the paperwork and legal processes, so you don't have to navigate the Spanish bureaucracy on your own. They also understand that moving your entire family can be a big decision, which is why they offer assistance with finding housing for you and your loved ones. But it gets even better. Sanitas Mayores truly values their employees and offers competitive salaries and benefits packages. We're talking health insurance, paid time off, and opportunities for professional development. They want you to grow and thrive in your caregiving career, and they provide the resources and support to make that happen. So how do you land a job with Sanitas Mayores? Well, it's easier than you might think. Head over to their website, I'll put the link in the description down below, and browse their open positions. They have a user-friendly platform where you can filter by location, experience level, and even the type of care you're most passionate about. Once you find a position that catches your eye, take your time and craft a compelling CV and cover letter that highlights your skills and experience. And don't forget to emphasize your passion for caregiving and your eagerness to contribute to the Sanitas Mayores team. Trust me, taking that extra time to personalize your application can make all the difference. Next up, we have another giant in the Spanish caregiving scene, Ballesol Residences. With over 50 care homes spread across Spain, Ballesol offers incredible opportunities for caregivers looking for their next adventure. And the best part? They're known for their commitment to work-life balance, something that's often hard to find in the caregiving field. Ballesol understands that you have a life outside of work, and they strive to create a supportive and flexible environment for their employees. They offer a variety of shifts and scheduling options to accommodate your needs, so you can maintain a healthy balance between your professional and personal life. But it's not just about the flexibility. Ballesol also offers fantastic career growth opportunities. They provide ongoing training and development programs to help you enhance your skills and advance your career within their organization. So, whether you're just starting out in caregiving or you're a seasoned professional, Ballesol has a place for you. Now, let's talk about the application process. Just like with Sanitas Mayores, you can find all their open positions on their website. Ballesol makes it super easy to apply online, and they usually get back to candidates pretty quickly. But here's a pro tip. If you really want to stand out from the crowd, consider reaching out to their HR department directly. A simple email expressing your interest in working for Ballesol and highlighting your relevant skills can go a long way. It shows initiative and a genuine desire to join their team, which can give you a competitive edge. Now, if you're looking for a company that goes above and beyond to support their international caregivers, then you need to check out Clece Vitam. These guys are known for their exceptional relocation assistance, making your transition to Spain as smooth as a fresh jar of paella. Clece Vitam understands that moving to a new country can be daunting, especially when you're unfamiliar with the language and the culture. That's why they offer comprehensive relocation packages that include everything from visa sponsorship and language courses to help with finding housing and even opening a bank account. They're with you every step of the way, ensuring that you feel supported and confident in your new home. But it's not just about the relocation support. Clece Vitam also offers competitive salaries that reflect the value they place on their caregivers. They understand that your work is essential, and they're willing to compensate you fairly for your skills and dedication. Plus, Clece Vitam offers fantastic benefits, including health insurance, paid time off, and opportunities for professional development. They want you to feel valued and appreciated as a member of their team, and they provide the resources and support to help you thrive both personally and professionally. So, if you're ready to take the leap and start a rewarding career in Spain, Clece Vitam is definitely worth considering. Head over to their website. I'll drop the link below and explore the exciting opportunities that await you. Job in Spain. Now, if you're looking for a company that's truly invested in the well-being of its residents and its employees, then you need to check out Grupo Los Nogales. These guys are known for their state-of-the-art facilities that provide a comfortable and supportive environment for both residents and staff. But it's not just about the fancy facilities. Grupo Los Nogales is deeply committed to creating a positive and rewarding work environment for its caregivers. They offer competitive salaries, flexible scheduling options, and opportunities for professional development. They understand that happy and fulfilled caregivers provide the best possible care, and they strive to create a workplace where everyone feels valued and appreciated. And here's the best part. Grupo Los Nogales is actively seeking international caregivers and offers fantastic relocation support, including, you guessed it, visa sponsorship. They'll help you with all the necessary paperwork and guide you through the entire process so you can focus on what matters most, providing exceptional care to their residents. So, how do you become part of the Grupo Los Nogales family? Well, their website is a great place to start. They have a dedicated careers section where you can browse open positions and submit your application online. But here's a pro tip. Consider reaching out to their HR department directly and expressing your interest in working for their organization. A personalized email highlighting your skills and experience, along with your passion for caregiving, can make all the difference. It shows initiative and a genuine desire to join their team, which can give you a competitive edge. All right, let's talk about another major player in the Spanish healthcare system, Hospitales. This leading hospital group is renowned for its commitment to innovation and providing top-notch care to its patients, particularly in the field of geriatrics. And guess what? They're actively seeking caregivers and healthcare aides to join their team. Now, working for a prestigious institution like Hospitales comes with some serious perks. We're talking about excellent job security, competitive salaries, and a comprehensive benefits package that includes health insurance, paid time off, and opportunities for professional development. They invest in their employees and provide the resources and support to help them grow and thrive in their careers. But it's not just about the tangible benefits. HM Hospitals is deeply committed to creating a positive and supportive work environment for its caregivers. They recognize the importance of work-life balance and offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate your needs. They also provide ongoing training and development programs to help you enhance your skills and advance your career within their organization. So, how do you land your dream job at HM Hospitals? Well, their website is a great place to start. They have a dedicated careers section where you can browse open positions and apply online. But here's a pro tip. Networking can make all the difference. Connect with people who work at HM Hospitals or have connections within the organization. Attend industry events or conferences where you can meet potential employers and learn more about career opportunities. Putting yourself out there and building relationships can open doors that you never knew existed. Catch you in the next video.